As we have seen the overall pipeline, now let's understand how are these 9 pillars which are available in this dark green color. Those 9 pillars are nothing but enabling the continuous security best practices. So we'll start from the foundational aspect of governance, which is nothing but the overall controlling aspect of any organization. And when the controlling aspect come into the picture, it is like the commitment from the top, the policies, the processes, their commitment show to this overall ecosystem, and that governance has to be really successful from the aspect of, this any kind of a tailoring, any kind of deviation, any kind of processes or policies to be built, it has to pass through the governance. And governance should be available all the time, every time. And they should be the decision maker to say go or no go. When we talk about the governance, it automatically comes orchestration and the automation, because orchestration is nothing but the coordination aspect within the various technical deliveries and various technical integration channels. Orchestrations also helps you to understand the how data will flow unidirectional or a bidirectional way. And when automation comes, the automation actually decides that what kind of scripts I should write, what level of script I should write, and what level of automation I should do. Where should I start the automation? This automation and the orchestrations works hand to hand, because the automation is not only about the testing, but it is starting from the development, the overall unit testing, the deployment aspect, the target environment based, the various integration testing, and how overall deployment which happens to the target environment, how the each and every activities one after the others, how the sequence will be taken care by this orchestration. When we talk about precisely 9 pillars, let's start with the leadership. So leadership is all about, understanding and sponsoring a clear vision and the security of the overall practices. So we are here predominantly talking about everything and anything about security. So leadership should be focusing about the clear vision of a security. When we talk about collaborative culture, it is nothing but how the mindset is going to work for the security practices. When we talk about the design for DevOps, it is nothing but how faster, how rapidly the design will be built. So speed aspect will come into the picture. When we talk about the continuous integration, it is all about how the overall build or a development will be agile, how the version controlling would happen. Continuous testing is about how the overall unit testing to the various types of testing which are going to happen, how they will be automated, how they are continuous. When we talk about the monitoring aspect, the monitoring aspect is referring to what monitoring which we are talking about from the aspect of, the infrastructure, the application, all that would come into the picture. It is also about the security considering the dynamic nature of the various artifacts and the, infrastructure in the environments of the overall ecosystem. When we talk about the elastic infrastructure, it is about how much I need and how much I am paying, and am I using it? So elasticity is all about the agility. When we talk about continual delivery, it is talking about, again, target environments, the deployment till the UAT systems, and overall when I do the development and when I do a delivery, how the coordination will happen.